Introducing RIDA UNITY, a real sample-to-result system which now offers 4 PCR cyclers for maximum efficiency and precision. For easy loading, LED indicators and a step-by-step software wizard support the loading of the appliance. Automatic barcode scanning ensures reliable sample identification. The system tracks and checks the supply of consumables and reagents to minimize sources of error. The 4 PCR cyclers, with a total capacity of 192 reactions, are loaded with ready-to-use MIG tubes in next to no time. For a quick start, reagents are ready to use. Up to 6 different assays can be flexibly combined across the indications per run. Processing starts with a click. Pipetting, extraction, transfer to the cycler. Fully automated and precise. Depending on the workload, RIDA UNITY allows you to process up to 3 runs or up to 384 reactions on one day. Using the automated RIDA-Seq software, the analysis and interpretation of PCR results are safe and reliable. The RIDA UNITY system is efficient and fast, safe and intuitive, as well as flexible and universal. Flexibility redefined. Unlock your full potential.